G'day everybody! Another of my builds has just made it in time for the GasserFest 2024 held at Polo Racing. Go check it out and give it some love, and it's going to be run on the 13th of October. I believe there's some time trials happening now as well. Cheers! About to send this Nova Gasser off to Polo Racing for the GasserFest. I found this car in a small country town in a flea market. I really love the patina of it. I've slightly tried to enhance it, but I wanted to keep it because I liked it. So, just have to see how she rolls. Only one car allowed in this Gasser event, which, when you live so far away and it takes so long to get there, I normally like to try and send a couple of cars because things can go wrong. Things can change in that journey, and environment changes. Let's hope this one holds true. Let's see how we go. I'll take that. Cheers. Yeah, my Nova Gasser is a bit more of a survivor-reviver build. No team colours, as I really wanted to try and, preserve the patina that was already on the car. Let's roll. CutRock'R!